So this is a problem that has to do with Boxplots, and it's showing you two different salaries for construction workers and for teachers, and it's going by thousands on the scale. So it tells you right here that Jenny makes the first quartile for construction, and that Marcos makes the first quartile for teachers. And it's asking who makes more money. So in order to solve this, you have to know what Q1 means and where it is on the box. So Q1, so in order for this box plot to even made, remember how this needs the 5-number summary. So this consists of your min, Q1, Q2, Q3, and your max. And these are all on here. Your min is your lowest number, and you can see that this means that this is the lowest salary for both of these jobs. So this is the min for teachers, and this is the min for construction workers. And then next you have Q1, Q2, and Q3. And remember how these three make up the box on the box plot. So Q1, this represents the beginning of the box. So you can see that 25% ranked of construction workers made this much. And the same goes for teachers. And then moving on to Q2, remember that that's the middle of the box. And so that would be right here. And then you have Q3, which is the end of the box. And that's right here. And then you have your max, which is at the end of the box plot. Your max and your min, they're both whiskers. So it tells you that Jenny makes the first quarter for construction, so that's Q1, and so that is this number right here. And then it tells you that Marcos makes Q1 for teachers, and that looks like it's right here. Have this data, you can see that Marcos' salary is right here, and that Jenny's is right here. So it looks like Marcos is at about 25. Remember how it's in thousands? And then you have Jenny at Q1 of construction workers, and that's at 31. So now that you've labeled your Qs, you're able to find your IQR, and that stands for interquartile range. And in order to find your IQR for any box plot, you need to take your Q3 minus your Q1. So in order to find the IQR of a construction worker's salary, we would take their Q3, which is at, looks like 41, minus their Q1, and we can see that that looks like it's at 31. So their IQR is 10. So if we wanted to do that one for a teacher, what we would do is take their Q3, looks like it's at 40, minus their Q1, which is at 25, and that is 15. And another way to think of Qs, remember how that stands for percentile 25, how Q2 stands for percentile of 50, and then percentile 75. So I can see that the 25th percentile makes 31,000. You can see that the 50th percentile makes around 40,000. And P75 for construction workers makes, it looks like 41,000. So let's say I wanted to find percentile 30 for a construction worker. So 30, it looks like it would be around here.